Pigeonhole theory and unity theory. The pigeonhole theory has been propounded and strongly supported by leading English jurists, namely Salmon and Sir Frederick Bullock, whereas the chief supporter of unity theory is Sir Winfield. According to the pigeonhole theory, the law of torts can be said to consist of a neat set of pigeonholes, where each set of pigeonhole contains a specific tort. For example, if the first hole or rather category is of defamation, then any kind of defamation like slander, libel, etc. come under the first hole or category of defamation. If physical attack is the second hole, then wrongs or rather torts of this category like assault or battery will be placed under the second hole category. In this manner, the pigeonhole theory compartmentalizes the wrongs or torts in a neat set of categories and their subcategories. However, the major drawback of this theory is that the well recognized heads of torts or categorized liabilities under torts would prevent the courts from recognizing new torts, as over a period of time, due to advancement and development in technology, there are new torts that come into existence with the passing of time. For example, cyber torts which were unheard once upon a time. Therefore, the unity theory has been widely accepted because, as per this theory, mere novelty of any tort should not prevent a person from suing in tort. According to the unity theory, all injuries done to another person are torts, unless there is some justification recognized by law. Thus, torts are infinitely various and not limited or confined. So, if a new tort like cyber tort comes into existence, then placing it under the neat set of pigeonholes would be impossible. Hence, this gives rise to the approach of unity theory being accepted.